You know what? Enough with waiting till later to get this little introductory video up.
Exit video.
No, this is the introductory.
Oh.
Because I'm not gonna come at you later on and say, hey, we had a great workout today, because we just had a great workout.
Beautiful workout.
And I'm about to post it like as soon as possible, so we don't have to wait all day for this guy, this slow guy right here, this one, who keeps waiting forever to put up videos.
Correct.
It's coming up soon. And I hope you're all getting a good workout today too, and following your diets.
Strictly.
Just making it happen. Choose your goals, go after them, stick to it. Is out.
Stay motivated.
Going light today.
You say going light today? Lower back problems. I don't think so. Look at the weight on this machine.
1, 2, 3, go. And oh look, it's us again. Hey, things are switched up. See, I feel awkward being on the left side. All right. Hey, we finished up a good workout.
Yes, we did.
We pushed it out and pulled it out, and we got a good workout, and we feel good, and we got to hurry up and go to work.
Yes.
You watch for the strains in
Later.
the videos. See ya.
You'll see it.